Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best greenhouse heaters in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Vornado Glide Vortex Heater. With a modern steel base and natural wooden feet, Glide is sure to make a visual statement in your home. The adjustable axis tilts 20 degrees for custom comfort. Combine that with Vornado's powerful vortex circulation, it is sure to keep your room sultry and stylish no matter how low the temperature drops outside. This whole room heater is equipped with advanced safety features, including a tip-over switch that automatically cuts the heat and power to the unit if tipped over. With Vornado's unique design, Glide remains cool to the touch, even after hours of extended operation. A Vornado heater uses special airflow called vortex action to heat all the air in the room. The air flows fast, warm and gentle to create a heating experience unlike any other. Glide employs advanced safety features. The cabinet remains cool to the touch, even after hours of extended operation. And it automatically shuts off if excess heat is detected or if the unit is tipped over. Number 9. Dr. Infrared Heater Portable Space Heater, 1500 watt. The Dr. Infrared Heater's advanced dual heating system, combining PTC and quartz infrared element, keeps you warm this winter while saving on heating bills. Equipped with a dual heating system and high-velocity low-noise blower, the Dr. Infrared Heater increases the heat distribution, and the result is heating your room to a comfortable temperature, fast. The Dr. Infrared Heater is certified by Underwriters Laboratories, UL, USA, and Canada, ensuring the highest safety standard. The Dr. Infrared Heater is perfectly safe around children and pets and only gets warm to the touch. It does not have exposed heating elements that can cause a fire. The Dr. Infrared Heater comes with energy-saving auto mode, high and low setting. When the mode is set to auto, the unit will cycle on and off and switch between high or low setting to maintain the desired temperature setting. All Dr. Infrared heaters are engineered and designed in the USA. How is Dr. Heater different from other heaters? Dr. Heater uses infrared heating, which heats objects in the room, instantly making you feel comfortably warm. By heating only the objects in the space, not the air, Dr. Heater provides maximum warmth and energy efficiency. Number 8. Comfort Zone CZ230ER 7500 watt. Comfort Zone is a brand in the home environment category. With dedicated engineering and quality teams to ensure our products meet strict quality standards such as UL, ETL, SAA, CE, CSA, and NOM, Comfort Zone heaters, fans, and humidifiers provide safe performance with value and innovation. Comfort Zone is America's heating and cooling choice. Our heaters offer options to keep you warm and comfortable when you need it. Each heater is designed to bring you performance in a wide variety of styles and features. Dedicated to safety and reliability, our product meets strict global standards and provide a safe and reliable performance. The fan-forced heater is designed for ceiling mounting and hardwired installation, which saves valuable floor space in a packed warehouse, garage, or storage area. The body of the commercial heater is crafted from heavy-gauge steel, which stands up well to the temperature fluctuations in areas that are poorly insulated. A built-in sensor detects when the ceiling mount heater has overheated on the inside and switches it off automatically to help prevent damage to the unit. Number 7. Dr. Infrared Heater DR975 7500 watt electric heater. Large greenhouses have higher heating needs, and the Dr. Infrared Heater DR975 7500 watt electric heater is up to the task. While the brand doesn't share the exact coverage area for this unit, its impressive 25,597 BTU rating proves it's a powerful choice. Like many heavy-duty industrial heaters, this model can be wall or ceiling mounted. To ensure proper coverage, it features a dynamic fan and 5 adjustable louvers to maximize airflow for large spaces. For easier controls, this 7,500-watt heater features a remote-controlled thermostat. Intended for garages, factories, warehouses, and greenhouses, it has a temperature range from 50 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. A low, high, and timer mode add even more flexibility, allowing gardeners to choose the heat intensity and select an automatic shutoff time. Number 6. Vornado TAVH 10-hole room heater with auto climate. Made for small to medium-sized rooms up to 200 square feet, the Vornado TAVH 10-hole room heater with auto climate is a solid choice for many home greenhouse buildings. Thanks to vortex air circulation and gentle heat, this light-duty small heater ensures that warm air is properly spread throughout the room to keep a balanced temperature without cold or hot pockets. Users can choose between a fan-only, low, 750-watt, and high, 1,500-watt setting, as well as set a timer or operate the heater via a remote control. The digital display allows users to set the temperature as well as view the ambient room temperature. Like many other indoor heaters, this heater stays cool to the touch and has a safety shutoff in case of excess heat or being knocked over. One downside, however, is that this heater isn't specifically designed for greenhouses, so it isn't splash-proof. Gardeners should take steps to ensure this heater isn't exposed to water or excess humidity. Number 5. Comfort Zone 5000-watt fan-forced industrial heater. For permanent greenhouse structures, a ceiling-mounted heater is an attractive choice. Mounted heaters keep the heater out of the way, clear of the plant watering splash zone and eliminating any tripping hazard. Its heavy-duty build and space-saving design make the Comfort Zone 5000-watt fan-forced industrial heater an appealing pick. This commercial-grade heater is hardwired in, so it requires some installation, but this design means it doesn't need to be plugged into an outlet. It's intended for use in poorly insulated areas, offering powerful operation ideal for larger greenhouses. Although Comfort Zone does not list its coverage area, the heater has a high 17,065 BTU rating. A fan-forced design, variable mounting angle, and adjustable louvers help to push heat to all corners of a room. To adjust the temperature, use the simple manual knob-controlled thermostat on the front of the unit. Number 4. Dr. Heater DR966 240-volt hardwired shop garage commercial heater. Need safe, comfort, and quick heat? This DR966 3000/6000W industrial heater can be easily installed in either your new or remodeled building. Dr. 966 can be your primary or auxiliary heat source for your garage, factories, stores, warehouses, workshops, schools, churches, hospitals, dormitories, or any exposed areas. DR966 uses spiral steel metal sheath electric heating elements with low sheath temperatures provide uniform heat and long service life. Plus a large, matched, dynamically 8-inch fan provide maximum airflow with minimum turbulence and noise, gently distributes warmth through your area. Totally enclosed, thermally protected, heavy-duty ball-bearing motor features permanently lubricated provides long life and low maintenance. Built-in adjustable thermostat allows to set your desired style. Rugged stamped steel front cover with 5-way adjustable louvers for easy control airflow. Ceiling and wall mounting bracket are included. Finished in a gray epoxy paint. Number 3. Mr. Heater Little Buddy Heater. For gardeners without an electric line to the greenhouse, a gas heater is a convenient solution. The Mr. Heater Little Buddy Heater is an indoor-safe propane model ideal for small greenhouses up to 95 square feet. This compact portable heater is powerful for its size. All it needs is a 1-pound propane cylinder and a click-and-hold touch of the 1-button ignition to start heating. A 5.6-hour runtime suits this heater best for light-duty use. Its upright design gives it a small footprint, perfect for placing in the corner of a small greenhouse. Lightweight and boasting a built-in handle, it's easy to move around. An oxygen depletion sensor and automatic shutoff make this heater safe for indoor use. The heater constantly monitors the oxygen level in the room, shutting off if it gets too low. In case the unit is accidentally tipped over, it will automatically switch off. Number 2. Dr. Infrared Heater DR218 Greenhouse Workshop Heat. Gardeners on a budget will appreciate the Dr. Infrared Heater DR218 Greenhouse Workshop Heater, which offers heating for up to 150 square feet for an affordable price. This 1,500 watt electric heater is simple to use, with just enough settings to help keep tender plants warm. Users can choose a heat or fan-only mode and turn the temperature dial to set the heat. The heating mode uses fan-forced air technology to encourage air circulation. While the thermostat dial doesn't display the greenhouse's ambient temperature, it can be set to maintain a set point temperature. Although cost-friendly, this unit doesn't skimp on its safety features. It's designed to stay cool to the touch, has an IPX4 splash-proof build, and features an automatic shutoff if the unit overheats, making it extra safe for greenhouse use. Number 1. Bio Green Palma Greenhouse Fan Heater. Designed specifically for greenhouses, the Bio Green Palma Greenhouse Fan Heater is the best greenhouse heater for a host of hobby gardeners. Standout features of this 1,500 watt electric heater include its digital thermostat, sturdy stainless steel build, and compact floor standing design. This heater is intended for spaces up to 120 square feet, making it suitable for most home greenhouses. This convenient heater has an attached digital thermostat that can be mounted at eye level for easier use. The thermometer displays ambient temperature and has a control range of 0 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit to cover the needs of most gardeners. To use, simply set the desired room temperature and the heater will switch on when needed to warm the greenhouse. This model also features a ventilation fan to ensure against undesirable cold or hot air pockets. A lightweight design and carry handle make the heater easily portable. For safety in a greenhouse setting, this model is IPX4 splash-proof and has an auto shut-off feature in case of overheating.